The release quantity on hand and the unreleased quantity on hand summarize inventory levels for all locations, but by clicking the Show Inventory by Location button, you can view your current inventory levels by location. And one thing I would mention about inventory, if any of the inventory levels are less than 1, then the text will appear red as a warning with a minus sign that there's negative inventory in stock. The inventory by location summarizes records based on location ID, and the location IDs are built in the main menu in the admin area where you add your company locations into the system. And then once you add your locations, you just click this Update Company Locations to also include that location in the Inventory by at Locations window. But it is best to add all your locations when you're first setting up the system, but if you do add additional locations after the system is set up, you could always update your company locations to bring in any new locations you've added. So it is very important when data entry users of the system for invoicing, purchase orders, or anyone that's going to create lot transactions, that they choose the correct location. So for instance, purchasing, when they choose location 1002 for a purchase, then the line item for that purchase is going to add to location 1002, and then when someone's creating an invoice, they would need to choose the location that items will be sold to, and then automatically the inventory by location will summarize the correct inventory levels.